What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Zay Times back with a new video. Of course, this one right here is about sneakers. You see the title. If you love sneakers, especially New Balance, and you want to switch it up a little bit, this right here is a shoe that you need to keep in mind. I have the New Balance 327, which is New Balance's new silhouette. Let's take a look at it. Comes in the standard box right here. These guys are dumb. These guys are cold. This right here is the New Balance 327. Sneaker is crazy if you ask me. Look, the thing I like mostly about this sneaker, of course it looks, but also the price tag. Now, this shoe right here took me a little bit more money to get, but you can find this 327 retailing for about 90 bucks. This right here is a pretty affordable and stylish shoe that has good similarities to other competitors, and I'm gonna point them out for you real quick. The thing about this shoe is that it reminds me of two shoes that I like a lot. That is the Nike Sacai LD Waffle and the Yeezy 700. How did I get that? Well, let's take a look. Starting at the back, you see this gum sole right here. But the so far is having like a dramatic sole, especially near the heel area. That really gives me Sacai vibes. Even though it doesn't extend out like a Sacai does, it still gives me that, that same vibe from it. And we look at the toe box right here. This really gives me, especially this area right here where it comes up. Since we pointed that out, we might as well go ahead and touch more about this shoe. Now this shoe, of course, has that New Balance logo, that N on the side. On the medial side, you will not find that, which I think really gives it a clean look. They're not doing too much with it. New Balance right here. If you can see it right there. Nice clean look. I like how it's not like all poppy. Like, I'm glad it didn't put a white here. I kind of like that darker version or a different material, same color type of look. You'll see it's dark gray. Right here is a nice suede. And it's the same type of suede that you'll see on the toe box in that brown area that extends all the way up. This is nylon right here. It looks like a light blue. I would say a light blue. This Mint logo right here. They also let you know. They also let you know it's the intelligent choice, which I can't be mad at that. I have my shoe tree in here, but underneath that shoe tree, it just has the New Balance logo in that same mint color. That thing is just so clean. And then we're gonna talk more about this sole. You see the gum sole at the back. And yes, it does extend all the way. You see that? All the way. In person, it really gives me, well, not even in person, when you look at it, it really gives me like a Lego vibe. Like you can just step into a Lego spot right there. But this shoe is very crazy. I think this shoe is very unique, especially in this colorway that I have right now, which is the rust brown. I think that this, of course, looks good in the fall, in the winter, mixing up with different things. More and more, they're coming out with different colorways. They have any color that you would want, they basically have. I've seen all white, I've seen collabs. I'm gonna post some pictures about them right here. And yo, again, 90 bucks retailing for this shoe. Probably could find some for less if they're not as popular or not in demand. This one right here was in demand, definitely for 90 bucks. This is a steal in my opinion. Something unique to have in your collection, in your shoe showcase, in your shoe closet, however you want to call it, you know what I mean? Nothing too special when it comes to comfort of the shoe. It's really the standard New Balance cushioning from at least what I can assume, but it's still comfortable. It's not going to wow you, but it's a shoe that you definitely can walk in. I got this shoe 11.5, which is my truest size, so I would definitely recommend going that way. Very unique, but again, go ahead and copy a pair. You'll see how much fire they have. And again, 90 bucks retailing is pretty good in these days. I mean, half the shoes I want seem to be like twice that retail, so I mean, you can't really beat that. But yo, I know y'all want to see this on foot, but yo, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, put on the bell notifications, guys. We're gonna be talking about a lot of different stuff as time progresses. But yo, let's see what it's like on feet.